Hello students, welcome to Shine Group of Institutions, Bidar. As you all aware that 2 days back NTA has launched their NEET form, long awaited form. Okay, बहुत सारे लोग उसके लिए वेट कर रहे थे already. So Shaheen has decided to help students to fill the forms of NEET. Okay, we'll start from beginning to end how to fill the forms with all the entries. Okay. Now let us start with entering NTA website in the address bar. Just open your Mozilla and enter neet.nta.nic.in. Okay, just enter this one. We'll get this page. ये page आ जाएगा. Now in this one, observe here on your left side. We have two things here, information bulletin and inviting online application form for national eligibility cum entrance test. Okay, it is new and it's blinking both. Okay, at bottom of this page just scroll on this one and fill registration form. You'll get here again. Okay, before going for form I'll suggest first download this information bulletin. Okay, completely like that, save in your system or in mobile. Okay, preferably use your desktop or laptop to fill the form. Okay, don't use mobile to fill the form. Okay, be careful. So after downloading this one, please once go through to this one. Okay, now we have this in page number. Especially I suggest directly go to page number 113. Page number 113. Okay, page number this is 113 to 11. Okay, now division of application form into sets or phases. This year they are divided into two sets. In first set they are given for before examination, means right now we have to fill set 1. After exams, before results, you have to fill set 2. Okay, for set 1 they have given the things: personal details, present address, permanent address, choose password, security pin, personal details again. Okay, application page this one. Apply for means you are applying for center and question paper medium, all of these things. Then educational details, uploading images. In uploading images we have passport size photos, postcard size photo, left hand thumb impression, signature, self declaration. Okay, now self declaration for only J&K students. Now in next page you will get application page. In that one, personal details, again you will get something, educational details. Now this is for in second set. First set is up to this one. Okay, where I am putting my cursor here. Now up to this stage you have to fill. Okay, now after this one go to page number 113, 114. Okay, these two things are most important. Now you have to take your photo in this manner. Okay, passport size photo. Now image should be in the format of JPG. Okay, and size is 10 KB to 200 KB. It should not exceed 200 KB and it should not be less than 10 KB. Okay, now below your photo the candidate name should be there in capital letters, in uppercase, date of taking photograph. These two should be there, and they are suggested this passport size photo, it should be at least 6 to 8 photos you have to keep till you are counseling, till you are getting admission in MBBS colleges. And this postcard photo you have to keep at least 4 to 5, at least 4 at least you have to keep. Okay, while taking the photo you make the copy, ensure that you are taking enough number of copies. Okay, and thumb impression, take your right hand thumb. Okay, no problem, but suggested that it should be a left hand thumb. Again size is 10 KB to 200 KB, and signature again 4 KB to 30 KB. Be careful. Okay, the format is same, the size is different for signature. Now after this one you will get, now this is sample copy. Before going for your real application form, just go through this one. Okay, now from here we got information bulletin, Now bottom of this page you will get fill register. After clicking this one you will get to this page. Okay, this take to this page. Now we are comparing both in bulletin what they are given and real time form what they are given. See, it is real time form and this is information bulletin. In that one they are given replica of application form. Okay, now here you have to click on this one, new registration. Okay, new registration. If you click that, it will get like this 4-step process: registration, application form, image upload and fee payment. Okay, now before filling form please read all these things. Now fee is given for general 1500 rupees, for general EWS, OBC, NCL, okay, central list, for them it is 1400, SC, ST and PWD, third gender, for them they are given it is 800, okay, with service charges, that is GST they are given. Now in that one the most important thing is important instructions about password. Okay, please read this one. It should contain at least one special character, one numerical, means 0 to 1 special character they are given, and uppercase means capital letter, lowercase, and the password should be 88 to 13 characters. Okay, now after that please read this 7th point, how to reset your password, because many students, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होता है यहाँ पे कि वो लोग अपना पासवर्ड भूल जाते हैं। इतना पढ़ना रहता है कि वो अपना जो है ना सभी पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके पासवर्ड भूल जाते। सो इसीलिए जब पासवर्ड सेट करेंगे वाइल फिलिंग फॉर्म, टेक ए डायरी एंड टेक ए पेन, और वहाँ पे एक सिक्योरिटी क्वेश्चन होगा, वो क्वेश्चन आपको नोट करना है और वो क्वेश्चन पे आप कैसे आंसर कर रहे हैं वो भी नोट करना है। इट इज़ केस सेंसिटिव, मीन्स अपर केस, कैपिटल लेटर, स्मॉल लेटर जो भी डालेंगे आप उसको प्रॉपरली थोड़ा सा केयरफुली नोट करना है। ओके, एंड देन नेक्स्ट थिंग इज योर मोबाइल नंबर। मोबाइल नंबर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, मोबाइल नंबर, ईमेल आईडी, जो आप रिसेंटली जो मोबाइल यूज़ कर रहे उसी नंबर को यूज़ करना है और वही ईमेल आईडी यूज़ करना है। अदरवाइज होगा ये कि कोई एक नंबर दे दिया आप रैंडम नंबर, तो वो कम्युनिकेशन एनटीए पूरा उसी पे करेगा। और आप फिल करने के बाद फॉर्म आपको एक मैसेज भी आएगा विथ योर फॉर्म नंबर, सो यूज़ दैट नंबर प्रॉपरली। ओके, तो यहाँ पे आपको ये जो पेज पे ये पॉइंट नंबर 7 थोड़ा सा इंपॉर्टेंट है, केयरफुली इसको पढ़ना है। ओके, एंड पासवर्ड के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शंस है, दे आर गिवन लाइक दैट, पासवर्ड मस्ट बी 8 to 13 कैरेक्टर लॉन्ग, password must have at least one uppercase alphabet, password must have at least one lowercase alphabet, password must have at least one numerical value, password must have at least one special characters, they are given। यहाँ पे कैरेक्टर्स का लिस्ट करा हुआ है, डॉलर सिंबल, हैश, @ कैरेट, परसेंटेज, एंड स्टार, ये सबको स्टार बताया हुआ है यहाँ पे, तो इन लोगों को प्लीज़ इग्नोर मत करिए आप। ओके, आफ्टर रीडिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स केयरफुली जस्ट क्लिक हियर टू प्रोसीड। इसको चेक करना है, आई हैव डाउनलोडेड इंफॉर्मेशन बुलेटिन, रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शन देयर इन एज वेल एज दोज मेंशन्ड अबव एंड फिल अप द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म अकॉर्डिंगली। इसको अग्री करके फिल करने के लिए स्टार्ट करना है। ओके, तो यहाँ पे आप लोग जब स्टार्ट करेंगे, वी आर फिलिंग रियल टाइम फॉर्म। ओके, सो जैसे ही भी आप लोग यहाँ पे नेम पे अभ्यर्थी का नाम, कैंडिडेट्स नेम जब क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे एक पॉपअप ओपन होगा आपको, द कैंडिडेट्स नेम, कैंडिडेट नेम मस्ट एग्जैक्टली बी सेम एज रजिस्टर्ड इन क्लास 10th और इक्वलेंट क्वालिफाइंग एग्जाम्स। नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट्स आधार कार्ड में ऐसे होता है कि आधार कार्ड में नाम डिफरेंट है एंड देन मार्क्स कार्ड में नेम डिफरेंट है, बहुत रेयर होता है ऐसा, बट होता है ऐसे। सो इट इज प्लीज़ आप जैसे आपका 10th में है वैसे इसको इंटर करिए। आधार कार्ड में नेम चेंज हो सकता है, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स करेक्शन हो सकता, बट मार्क्स कार्ड में होने के लिए टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम। सो आपका 10th का मार्क्स कार्ड साथ में रखिए फॉर्म फिलअप करने के लिए। ओके, ऑलरेडी मैं आपको बताया है कि यू हैव टू कीप 2 थिंग्स, फर्स्ट डायरी, पेन, नाउ 10th मार्क्स कार्ड आपके साथ में रहना है, देन योर आधार कार्ड यू हैव टू कीप विथ यू। ओके, सो आई एम फिलिंग द फॉर्म हियर, कुछ एक जनरल फॉर्म में फिल करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। ओके, एंड while filling form please keep everything capital, okay, apart from your password। पासवर्ड जब लिखेंगे आप उसको छोड़ के रिमेनिंग आप लोग ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो फादर नेम अगेन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर 10th मार्क्स कार्ड. ओके, एंड नो प्रीफिक्स टाइटल सच एज श्री, मिस्टर, फादर, डॉक्टर, कर्नल एक्सेट्रा शुड बी यूज्ड. इसको यूज नहीं करना है. आपके फादर अगर डॉक्टर भी हैं, कर्नल हैं, कुछ भी होने दीजिए, ऐसे यूज नहीं करना है. जस्ट टेक योर फादर नेम नॉर्मली, जस्ट योर फादर नेम. ओके, नाउ मदर नेम अकॉर्डिंग टू योर 10th मार्क्स कार्ड. Okay, date of birth, you take your date of birth again according to your 10th marks card. While filling, just be careful. Okay, and your date of birth should be before 31st December 2004, your date of birth. After 31st of 2004, it will not take your form. Okay, gender and nationality Indian. Okay, identity card. Okay, for this one they have given the list: Aadhaar card last 4 digit, class 12th admit card with photo if you have, election card if you have, passport if you have, ration card with photograph, bank passbook with photograph, any other valid government identity with photograph. Better to take Aadhaar card and use only 4 digit, last 4 digit. Okay, now address, write your house number. Okay, locality, it is optional. Next, city, town, village, put this one. Country, India. State, take your respective state. Okay, your native state. District, your native district, you take it. Then pin code, then use mobile number. Now this one again it's showing here, pop up here. Please enter your own or parents mobile number, as you will receive one-time password for final submission of the registration form and future communication on the same. Okay, so please use this number, be carefully. Okay, so email ID, use it. Again, enter your own or parents email ID, as you will receive one-time password for final submission of the registration form and future communication. Okay, so use email ID carefully. If you don't have email ID, please create it and make sure कि you know the password. ऐसे पासवर्ड रखना है जो आप पासवर्ड याद रखें. ठीक है. Now after this one, permanent address. If your present address and permanent address is same, just click this one. If you make yes, it will disappear here. Okay. Now password. While filling password, again it's showing what they are showing on home page. Same thing they are appearing here, showing here. Password must be 8 to 13 character long. Password must have at least one uppercase alphabet. Password must have at least one lowercase alphabet. Password must have at least one numerical value. Password must have at least one special characters. For example, this one. Okay. Again, one more thing, on your keyboard, if you are using desktop, on keyboard Q के ऊपर आएगा special characters. Okay. 1 से ऊपर shift यूज करके आप उसको यूज कर सकते. So I am keeping something here. So ये मिक्स हो गया यहाँ पे. Confirm password as same. Confirm करना है. Okay. Confirm. And this one, security question. Okay. For security of your login account, please choose a security question and give an answer only you know. We ask you this question in case you forgot your password, and also if you need to verify your identity. So please be careful while choosing this one. Okay. So I am choosing here which is favorite website you rarely visit. Okay. ऐसे है, या आप लोग अपना what is the name of your first school, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे as you wish. Then this one, जो भी रहेगा यहाँ पे केस सेंसिटिव है, जो यहाँ पे दिखेगा उसको हमको टाइप करना है. That is 2 B, capital B है, then N184. Okay, now submit this one. After submitting, now you get this one for your desktop. इसको make sure that if you are using your home system, then save this one, otherwise don't save. Okay, save or don't save. Now it is showing now here. Please review the following information carefully. If you would like to change any information entered, you may do so by pressing edit registration form button or press final submit for final submission. Okay, close this one and review all these things what you are given here. Okay, your name, father name, mother name, date of birth and gender, Aadhaar number, 4-digit number, okay, nationality, address, complete address, permanent and present address, okay, security question, what is your name of first school, answer they are not showing, password they are not showing, okay, make sure please click all these things. If you want to edit, you can edit by clicking on edit the form, okay, here, edit registration form, otherwise by clicking this one, agree. Do you wish to submit registration form? Finally, yes. Now after completing that first form, okay, this will take to you next. Now see, now registration is completed, that's showing here right mark with green, okay, green color. It means that you have completed your registration. Now application, document upload and fee payment still pending. Now again application status is showing registration form completed, application it is incomplete and remaining also incomplete. Now you have completed registration form, please note down the application form for your future reference. Same thing you will get in your message also, okay, same thing. After filling this one you will get same thing in your message. Please keep your mobile with you while filling the form. Okay, after downloading confirmation page, make sure that you receive the message. हो सकता है कि कुछ मैसेज जो है ना एक डिले भी आएगा नेटवर्क की वजह से, बट फाइनली यू विल गेट द मैसेज फ्रॉम NTA. इस तरह आएगा डिटेल, डियर applicant you have completed step 1 of application form for NEET UG 2021. Your application number आएगा. Please complete the remaining steps of application form. So now complete the form. Click here, complete the form, and on your left side showing here verify mobile number and email ID. You can verify these two things, okay, by clicking on this one. Now complete the form. Okay, already what we filled now will get fetched from that previous form. Name, date of birth, gender, father name, mother name, nationality. Now here education details you have to submit. State, UT from where, 12th or equivalent exam, passed or appearing, okay. The information about the state field of the respective candidates only for purpose of information and does not mean that the candidate belong to domicile of the particular state, as it needs to be reaffirmed from the DME of the respective states, okay. Just take your state where you have completed your 12th, that is we are taking the state, okay. Next, category, your category you have to take accordingly, okay. General, OBC, SC, ST accordingly you take. Now if you are PWD candidate, do you have the benchmark disability? It should be more than 40% or more, okay. If you have this one, make it yes, otherwise no. Now next, diabetic, if you are diabetic, make it yes, otherwise no. Country of residence, now it is India, okay. Now next year, dress of contrary to dress code while appearing in the NEET. You can make it yes or no. Before filling this one, please go to your information bulletin, there they are given. If you are wearing some religious dress or like that, you have to make it yes, otherwise make it no, okay. Those who wearing burqas, make it yes, and please report to the center 2 hours earlier to your respective time, okay. They have mentioned 12:30 PM you have to reach your center and you have to consult your respective center in charge, okay. For example, we are making here yes, otherwise you can make here no, it makes no difference. Now next year apply for, okay, we are applying for this NEET only. Question paper medium, while filling question paper medium, again information bulletin is most important here, because all over India they have given English paper, but if you are taking particular languages, now in that particular state only they have given particular languages, like Hindi and English is all over India, but like Kannada, Tamil or Hindi it is given for all, but Kannada it is given for only Karnataka. Okay, now be sure that you take English, this one only English, and then exam state, city, choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4, you have to select it. Okay, now first state you have to take, like state I am taking here. Now in that one city you have in Karnataka, these many states cities are available here. Okay, first preference. Now second, take such a way that now that state, that city and state should be nearer to you. Okay, nearest you take it. Before filling this one, check your information bulletin. In that one they are given list of centers. Okay, list of centers, you check it. I am taking Karnataka and Telangana, it is second one. In Telangana they have given, if it is from Bidar, you can take it as Sangareddy. Next for Karnataka it is Maharashtra is near, you can take Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, if you are Bidar, then it is Latur is nearer to you. Okay, fourth again I am taking here, it is mandatory to take here 4 options, so you have to take all the 4 options. Now next one is, I'll take Nanded. Okay, now next education details, past date, now appearing past. Okay, I am taking past, it is 2021, year of appearing, passing or appearing 2021, qualifying exam code. Earlier it was one was there for appearing, now they have not taken 1, 2 to 7 they have given. Please read this one before filling again, because 2 is different, 3 is different. Actually it makes no difference, you fill 2 or 3, it makes no difference. For sake of surety and sake of no mistakes, please read this one. Okay, with PCB English is compulsory in code 3. Now in code 2 it is not like that, so be sure that for PUC it is code 3, it's already for CBSE and others it is code 2. While again filling, please read that codes. Okay, rural, urban, according to your schooling you have to take it. Type of school or colleges, state government means state government, aided government colleges, Kendriya Vidyalayas, NVs, private and others. Okay, normally many students will be from state governments, I am taking here state governments. Qualifying exam status, state. Now just take your state, I am taking Karnataka here. Okay, qualifying exam, district, take district. If you take Karnataka, now it is I am taking Bidar. School board. Okay, now it is school board is for Karnataka, it is Karnataka. We'll get here Karnataka pre-university education examinations. Okay, for Karnataka. Now result percentage CGPA. If you are state board students, it is percentage. If it is for CBSE, then it is CGPA. Total marks you take. Okay, if you take this appearing, I am taking both, I am showing both here. Okay, it is appearing. Now see here they are not given total marks. When I take past, it is showing all the things. Okay, now it is code 1. Now it is showing code 1. Appearing means code 1. Okay, means 2021 fresh students they are appearing, and for them they are given only code 1. Okay, be careful while filling this one. For repeaters it will show 2 to 7. Okay, 2 to 7 it will show. Result code is not required. Roll number, your roll number you have to enter like any number. Okay, you can take any number here, and school name you take, school or college name, pin code 55401. Okay, now next, last stage, just enter the code and submit this one. Okay, again please preview following information carefully. If you would like to change any information entered, you may do so by pressing edit application form button or finally submit. Okay, close this one and preview this one. Name, father name, mother name, date of birth, gender, category, question paper medium, exam city and education details. Okay, right from beginning it's showing. Now click agree, submit. Okay, final submission. Now we have completed our application form. Second is also completed. Registration is over, application form is over. Okay, now step 3, upload documents. Upload documents. Here you have to upload your passport size photo. They are given document format JPG 10 to 200 KB. Okay, for your left hand thumb, as I said, left hand. Unfortunately, if you are not available with your left hand, use your right hand. They are given mentioned clearly. You can use your right hand thumb also. Okay. Now again it is JPG 10 to 200. Signature. Signature is for 4 KB to 30 KB, and postcard photo. You need that one. And as I said, please make enough copies. You have to keep these copies. Okay, because it will require while counseling. And while taking photo, make sure that passport size photo with 80% face without mask, 80% face. Okay, and your age should be visible. Now from this one you have to upload the things, and then after uploading it will take to payment. After making payment, okay, you can complete your form. I'll show here. After uploading form, photos and all these things, will get like this. Do you wish to submit the documents? Form finally, make it yes. After this one again it will show registration completed, application form completed, upload documents completed, application. Fee payment is pending, so make it fee payment, make it online. Okay, mode of payment you have to take, make it online and proceed. It is available with both. You can pay with your Google Pay, UPI you can use, Paytm you can use, otherwise with debit card, net banking and credit card you can pay it. And it is showing like that. Candidate name will show and application form it will show, amount, okay, customer ID and date of birth it will show. Mode of payments they are given. These 4-5 payments they are given, mode of payments. Click any one. Okay, for Paytm and all these things, it is bottom is there. SBI, you can take any one. Through this bank, it does not mean that you are paying through only SBI, Canara Bank or like this. Okay, with any credit card or debit card, you can take anything. They'll pay with this bank to NTA. It is not from your bank. Okay, for credit card, Paytm wallet, debit card, UPI, all these things here, it is available here. Click this one. Okay, then pay. At the end, download confirmation page. Okay, after filling this one, completion of form, just download application form. It will show like this. Okay, it is application form, confirmation page, application number with barcode will be there. Okay, your name, date of birth, all details you have with your photo, thumb and signature. Okay, important point to note. Now again after this one, you have completed your form. Please go through your information given along with your form and keep safe. Okay, please keep safe. Again, before filling the form, I'll suggest please read the information carefully and then fill the form. Okay, and center list is given here, syllabus is given, everything you go with information bulletin. If you have any doubt, You can ask to your teachers, ask to your NTA. Okay, you can directly contact NTA. You have mail ID, they have given email ID. Use that email ID for anything. And then they have given the admission process after exam, what kind of activities you should do for your counseling, for admissions. Okay, what percentage of reservation they have given for central universities, deemed to be universities, center, AIQ, all these things they have given. Please go through all those things. Okay, now with this one I'll conclude. Thank you for watching this video. See you next video with more updates, and with exam updates we have given our HODs, lecturers. Okay, in future we'll give with more updates regarding admissions, how to do counseling, what all documents you need for counseling. Thank you.